Welcome to Halliburton's hydraulic rig assist unit working in conjunction with a rig. Normally, this rig up takes between 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on the customer's location. Pipe is picked up one joint at a time using a winch line, which moves the pipe into the work basket, where a connection is made using hydraulic tongs. This process is repeated until the pipe becomes heavy. Once the pipe is heavy, the rig runs the pipe as normal. And yes, they can run stands. The rig assist, consisting of traveling slips, telescoping guide, stationary slips, the annular and stripping stack, and jack rods and the jack cylinders, is brought to the customer site with the float with power pack, and the rig assist unit is placed on top of the customer's BOP stack. Pipe is picked up one joint at a time using a winch line, which moves the pipe into the work basket where a connection is made using hydraulic tongs. This process is repeated until all the pipe is placed into the well. Here we can see a tubing string being run into the well under pressure using the rig assist's large jacking cylinders and 2 sets of inverted slip bowls. In this close-up view of the jack operations, we see the telescoping guide tube scoping in and out. The traveling slips in the inverted and heavy position, as well as the stationary slips. The telescoping guide gives us the ability to make an 8-foot stroke with up to 8,000 psi at the surface. Halliburton offers 2 processes to move pipe under pressure. If well pressures are under 2,000 psi, pipe and connections are run through with the annular BOP closed. However, if well pressures exceed 2,000 psi, pressure is controlled with the use of stripping rams, located in the upper 2 blowout preventer cavities. When a tool joint reaches the BOP stack, the joint must be cycled through the stripping rams. This is a view of the ram-to-ram stripping operation in detail. First step, the tool joint is lowered below the top BOP. Second step, the top BOP is closed to seal around the pipe. Third step, pressure is equalized between the top and bottom BOPs. Fourth step, the bottom BOP is opened. Fifth step, the tool joint is lowered below the bottom BOP. Sixth step, the bottom BOP is closed. Seventh step, pressure is bled off between the top and bottom BOPs. Eighth step, the top BOP is opened. After the tool joint has passed the lower stripper unit, the stripping rams are reset to receive the next tool joint. The cycle is then repeated if pressure is in excess of 2,000 psi until the desired depth is reached. That sounds like a long process, but it only takes about 15 seconds longer to strip ram to ram versus running on an annular BOP. A normal run-in and hang-off job could be completed within 2 12-hour days with a rig.